Good morning, students. How are you doing? Well, good. We are also perfect. Okay? So, children, this is Neenal ma'am and I am here to take you to vocabulary. Yes, children. As you all know, vocabulary is very important. It plays an important role in reading as well as speaking English language, right? Today, we are here to discuss or to upgrade ourselves with new vocabulary words. Yes, we are going to enhance our vocabulary. You all know, with one proper place, we can explore many new areas and we can get to know different words, right? So, let us take one example of vocabulary itself. Now, can you see over here a word vocabulary? You all know it deals with many different words. Would you like to know? I'll help you out. Let's check out this word vocabulary. It helps us to explore our knowledge in different areas. Let us see which are those areas. Okay. So first, vocabulary will help us in reading. Yes. Then an important part, speaking. Then writing. Yes, children, unless and until we don't know a single new word, we won't be able to write. Yes, so we require a strong vocabulary to write. Okay, so writing, as well as it helps us in listening. Yes, vocabulary deals with these facts. You know, children, English language has four important skills. Four important skills. Yes, which is also called as LSRW. Okay, which is also called as LSRW. And what does it mean? L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. Yes, to enhance your knowledge in English language, you have to be well equipped with these skills. You have to embrace these skills. Then only you will be perfect in all the areas. Okay? So let us count these all skills on our four fingers. L, S, R, W. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Yes. And these all areas will be effective when we are good at vocabulary. When we are good at vocabulary, children. And now today I am going to help you out by telling you different vocabulary words. Yes, today in this period we are going to build our vocabulary level. Okay, so let's proceed to check how to build our vocabulary. Come. Do you know vocabulary is very important to us? Yes. Yesterday you did matching sentences with pictures, right? So when you see the picture, you have to frame a sentence, and to make those sentences, you have to find out a different vocabulary words. Yes or no? Yes. So kids, see, for us, when we are learning English, vocabulary usage is very important. Yes, it brings a cherry on a cake, right? So today we are going to learn new vocabulary words. Yes, as we see many places, at home also we see many things around us, right? But what those things are called as? Have you ever thought of it? No? Now you have to think, children. Okay? When we come to school also, we have so many things to see. When you sit in your own class, you see tables, chairs, your bag, fan, teacher, yes or no? So these all are related things to one particular classroom, right? So kids, here we are. We are in our school. Yes. So now children, see, this is a picture of school. Okay? And these are the sections which are there in the school, right? So let us see what all places we find in our school to develop or to build our vocabulary. Okay? So see, first and foremost part of our school is our classroom. Kids, classrooms are the rooms where we learn. Yes, our teacher helps us to explore new ideas, to learn and update our knowledge. Yes, the next place which we can see here in our school is a reading section. Yes kids, library. Wow, many books we find here in the library. Yes. After that comes art room, and I'm sure this room is your favorite room. Yes, you get time to play with colors, yes, and to embrace yourself with different shades of colors. Yes, you put on your imagination on a paper here in this room, right? Next room comes is rest room, where you get to learn about hygiene, right? Yes. Move on to the next room, that is science lab. You all know children, EVS, science. Okay, we have got laboratory in our school. Yes, where we experiment. Okay, next comes is music room. Yes, this year we'll be having music, dance. Yes, and I know you all like to visit music room, right? We'll visit there and we'll play different musics. We'll play different instruments over there. Yes. Next is computer lab. Children, computers. Now, as we are studying digitally, I'm sure you're getting well qualified in and techno savvy, right? So this is a computer lab. Yes, wherein we'll be visiting computer lab to update ourselves technically. Next comes administrative office. Yes, where all the administrative work takes place, where all the administrative related work goes on. Office related work goes on. Your bus facilities, your uniform facilities, all the things comes under this administrative office. So children, see, with this one page we got to know different areas, different sections of school, right kids? See, these all names of those sections will surely helps us to enhance our knowledge of language. Yes, vocabulary deals with different words, right? Yes, which develop our knowledge regarding English speaking, right? So children, see, one school deals with these many sections. And kids, don't worry, when you will come back to school, we'll definitely take you school tour. Okay? So, let's move on to the next section. Kids, so what you have learned today? You learned different vocabulary words which is related to school, right? So kids, now moving ahead, as we have done our school tour, right? Let's go to railway station now. You all know railway station? Yes. If you want to visit some other places, you prefer bus facilities or railway facilities or airline facilities, right? So today I am going to talk about railway station. Yes, there are many sections in the railway station. You want to see? Yes, let's go. So kids, tour to a railway station. Yes. Now can you see in this picture? This is railway station, okay? Now you are going to describe this picture, okay? Kids, be ready with a book and a pencil in hand. and write in that notebook whatever you see here in this picture. Later on, I will help you out and let's see how many words comes correct on your paper. So observe and your time starts now. Yes, children, I'm back. Okay, so you're ready with your words? Yes? So let's start. Okay, let's describe this picture now. Tell me, what is this called as? Yes, you are right. Railway track. Very good. What is this? Railway engine. Good work, kids. Moving on to this. What are these things? Luggages. Very good. Very good. And what is this? Where these luggages are kept? Trolley. Good work, kids. Now come this side. Yes? Who is this here? Station master. Very good, children. And what is he having in his hand? Yes, children. These are called as flags. Yes. And you know, the color of these flags, one is red and one is green in color. Do you have any idea what does red flag means? Stop. Green light says go and yellow light says wait for a while, be ready. Okay? You all know this and tell me where you have seen this traffic signal. Yes, kids, you have seen in your garden, right? Where you play area, right? There are traffic signals. Yes? Good work, kids. I must say you didn't forget anything. Very good. And who all are they? Yes, you might say they are people. Very good, children. But we can call them as passengers. Yes, they are waiting for their train. They are called as passengers. Move ahead and here comes, what is this? Yes, clock. Good work, kids. It tells us about timing. Yes, which is very, very important. Next, who is this? Old man, yes, and he's very tired, like it seems like he's waiting for his train since long time. Oh, poor old man. Okay, let's move ahead. Yes, what is this? This is a store where we can get our beverages, right? Yes, and he is a shopkeeper who is waiting for his customers. Yes, kids. Now, one thing we missed here, so let's come back. What is this? See, you can see a name mentioned over here. It says room. But what room is it? See, children, for your extra knowledge, on railway station, we get to have these rooms for the passengers to take rest. Yes? See, like how this old man is sitting here, he's getting very tired, sitting here since long time. He can go here and rest in this resting room, right? Okay, so we have restroom in all the railway stations. Yes, children. as I think I have covered so many points in it, so many parts of it. Do you think I covered all? Or is there something left behind? Yes, kids, you're right. I left something very important here. What is this place? Yes. How we'll get to know about this place where this railway station exists? With this board, the signboard stating a name of this place. Yes, children, when we enter our Kolhapur city, we also see this kind of signboard. Yes, now henceforth if you visit some other place going through trailways, you just make sure to look out for this Kolhapur city signboard. Okay? Yes, children. And one more thing is, this railway station is also called as platform. Yes, platform, where passengers wait for railways. Okay? And see, children, we can use mathematics here too. Yes, you want to know how? Okay, you only tell me how many trolleys we can see here. Just observe, and you have got a lot of time to observe, kids. Now you have to tell me immediately. That's right. One is this and the other one, where it is? Yes, here. See? Trolley. 1 and 2. We got 2 trolleys here. Now, one more thing. How many dustbins are over here? 1, 2, 2. Very good. If I ask you about how many traffic lights we have on traffic signal? 4. 1 to go? No, we have 3 lights stating red, yellow and green. Yes? Okay, children. So now this was a tour to railway station. But you know, there are many more sections in railway platform. You would like to know in detail? Yes? Let's do then. See, children, over here we are going to study a railway platform in a detail. Yes, and we'll get to learn new vocabulary words. Yes, this session is all about vocabulary words, right? So these are few vocabulary words which we are going to learn about railway station. Yes, so let us start from here, okay? Observe carefully, children. Okay, this. As we have studied in our previous picture, what is this? Luggage, bags, correct. What is this? This is tickets counter. Yes, you get your tickets over here, okay? Now, after taking a ticket from ticket counter, you proceed in. But while moving inside, you meet one person here. And who is this person? Wearing a blue uniform and a cap. He is ticket collector. Yes. What he does? As the name tells, he collects tickets. Yes. After showing your tickets to him, after he collects, you get a green signal to enter a railway platform. Yes? Okay, but before moving in, what is this? Here, this is indicator board which indicates the timings of railways. Okay? Yes, kids, which is very important. Yes? So, before entering in, you first see a timing when your train arrives or departs on this platform. Yes, children, arrival time and departure time is mentioned here. You know, on one platform, there are many trains which arrives as well as departs, right? So, the timings of particular trains are mentioned over here on the indicator board. Arrival means what? The train which comes. Departure means what? The train which goes, right? Yes, arrival timing and departure timing. Okay, children? Now let's move in. Yes, so this is a platform. Okay, what is this called as, kids? Barriers, right? Yes, so that no one can rush towards it. Street dog, street cat should not enter the platform. So these barriers are made. Next, move in. Who is this person holding this trolley? Okay, we got to know this trolley word. As we have studied in our previous picture, is a trolley which carries luggage on it. Okay, and who is this person holding this trolley? He is called a porter. You all might have heard the word coolie. Yes, coolie is also called as porter. Okay, in English. Now, who are they? Moving in the train, they are passengers, kids. They are passengers. Very good. And what is this? Clock. Very good. Now children, this is a train. Yes, this is a train. But see, one more person is standing here with a flag in hand. Who is this? He is guard. Okay, and he is having which color flag in hand? Green color. And what green color flag states, indicates? It tells us that the train is about to leave. And what is the other word to leave? Departure, right? Now the train is about to depart. So this person is showing a green flag to all the passengers. See kids, this is our train, okay? And these are called as compartments of train. Yes, compartments where sitting arrangement is made for the passengers, okay? And see, we can see here inside these compartments we have seats, okay? Seats. Yes. And tell me, seats are for to keep our luggages or for us to sit? Yes, that's right kids. Good sense of humor. Seats are for us to make us feel comfortable. Yes. And see, inside those compartments we have luggage racks too. Yes, to keep our luggages. Okay. And as you can see here, what is this kids? Railway track. Railway track. Okay. Now look at this compartment. Yes. This compartment is called as buffet compartment. Okay. Yes. Where you can get your beverages, your meals. Okay, children. So this is all about railway platform. We have seen railway station. And now we got the details of platform. How is it children? And how many words we have learned here? Let us take a small recap. Luggage. Repeat after me children. Luggage. Ticket collector. Ticket office. Barrier. Platform, indicator board, carriage, trolley, porter, compartment, seats, luggage racks, clock, guard, flag to give a signal, buffet compartment, railway track. Yes? Yes children, how was your railway tour? Great? It has to be great as you have learned so many new vocabulary words, right? Yes, I must say next time when you will visit any railway station, you will definitely look around for those words. Yes or no? Yes. So kids, today I am going to give you one activity, home activity. Okay? So you are going to sit in your drawing room with a book and a pencil in hand. You are going to observe what all things you see around. Okay? And you are going to write down. Okay? All the new words. And ask your mom or dad to click a picture and do send us. Okay children? Yes? This is it for today. I'm very happy to teach you vocabulary words, and I'm sure now henceforth wherever you go, you will keenly observe the things around you and you will add on to your vocabulary. Okay? So, bye-bye children. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.